O Allah, how many more prayers should I pray? Now my carriage is starting to respond. O Allah, despair is starting to descend in my heart. There is darkness all around. I don't know where to go. O Allah, I am tired of praying. There is no way in sight. The destination seems so far away. O my Lord, my patience is about to end. Open the doors of your mercy for me. I am very lonely. No one understands my pain. O Allah, I have no friend except you. People are busy with their own worries. And I can only grumble before you. O Allah, save me from being lost. Save me from going astray. Forgive my sins. O Allah, take me to my destination and give me such strength that I can reach my destination without getting tired.